We were just talking about how some of these big names, Macy's, Nordstrom, Stitch Fix, have dropped so precipitously over the last month. Is that now a buying opportunity?
I think it is for some, Contessa, and great to see you too. As we really think about going forward to 2022, after a year in 2021, where there's been a very strong earnings recovery, there's been margin improvement. Look what you just said, the stocks are off. And I think they've incorporated, whether it's inflation, whether it's the margin adjustments that may happen given supply chain. So a lot of these stocks are trading at a discount to their historical average multiples. And that's where the opportunity lies for some of them.
You say that historically consumer companies focus on 3 Ps, the product, price, and place. But for 2022, you're recommending a whole new set of Ps.
You got it. I mean, it's always been about product, place, and price. And I think the change is we have enhanced processes. Look what these companies came out of the pandemic doing. They've rejiggered their business models. Check out curbside pickup, buy online, pickup in store. They've also now include purpose, and purpose between connecting the community, connecting their employees, connecting their customers. There's a greater drive for all to win and a greater drive for a sense of being in purpose. And what should all lead to is process. So my Ps for 2022 are enhanced process to include purpose to drive profit. And that's what I think is going to be not just 22, but for the balance going forward. I'm talking to companies. What are they doing to their process to include purpose and drive profit?
Who's got their Ps in place?
I think the Ps are in place at Lululemon, at Bath & Body Works. I think it's in place at Ulta and LVMH, for some newer companies like Figs, and also for traditional companies that have reinvented themselves like Levi's. And let's not forget what's happening in off-price, where Burlington has a path to grow.
You know, I thought that your recommendation on Figs was interesting because you're combining 2 things that we just cannot get away from. One is this return to work, but 2, this is a company that's devoted to like healthcare scrubs and direct to consumer. So it's combining a lot of the things that you're really focused on.
Exactly. Look what they've done. They've changed the process of buying healthcare apparel with DTC. They have a purpose, and their ambassadors, who they call awesome humans, are the healthcare professionals, which, let's not forget, that is the fastest growing professional network that in employment that we've seen throughout the country. And they're driving profit. They have a profitable business model that's only continuing to grow. So I like what FIG stands for, and I think that purpose delivers profit.
Dana Telsey, great to see you. Thank you so much. Have a good weekend.
Thank you. Have a great holiday.